Hello, you're watching a tutorial video for the article creator. I thought I would cover how to insert images with links attached to them. So I'm inside the article creator now. I set my keyword and I'm going over to the links tab. Now I'm going to click on add link to add my first link, and I want it to go to just this example website. Keywords, I'm going to tag it as dog training. Now when I scroll down, there is a link insert type dropdown, and if I scroll to the very bottom, there's a new option that says insert as image link. So what this is going to do is take my URL and my keyword and use that to build a link, but it will be represented as an image on your page. So the exact source code that be used to build the image tag is actually in this text box here, and that says image tag string. So these percentage symbols are referred to macros. So this source here means that SEO Content Machine Next is going to find some images online, and when it comes to building an image link, it's going to put the source here. Similarly, your alt tags are going to be in this location. If you're wondering, your alt tags are actually generated from the keywords. After that, there's a couple of styling options. By default, your image is set to be around 400 pixels wide, and it's set to appear right in the middle of your post. The next one is your actual link. Because we're inserting an image, when it comes to building the link, the URL is going to come from the URL box, but where it says percentage keyword, it's actually going to replace that with this image tag source. That way it's going to build a link which encompasses an image, and inside that image and your keyword's going to be used to replace the alt property inside the image tag. Now I'm happy with my settings. I'm going to click run and come back to you with a preview. Now that the task has finished running, if I want to preview the article, I can click on this blue button here that says preview articles, and here's my article. So if I scroll down a little bit, I'll notice that there's an image now, and if I scroll down the source of it, I can see that it's now an image tag and it's been wrapped around with my link. So obviously if I click on this, it's going to take me to example.com. Now if you notice that in the data URL section, there's a lot of code here, and it starts with source equals data image. So what this has done is it's saved the image into the article. That way the image is no longer hot linked. Just a reminder that if you want to turn this feature off and go back to the default setting where it's source equals the actual URL of the image, go to setting, and if you scroll down, it says store images in article URLs. So where that says 1, you just type in 0. When you click out of it, it'll save that. Next time you run the task, you're going to get an image URL instead of a data URL.